Hello again. Well, so far we've done the foundation chain. We've done single crochet, which is like a very compact, tight stitch. This is good for things you're gonna stuff or utilitarian things, or even hats and shawls and stuff like that. It's a nice tight stitch. But now we're going to do a double stitch, and you can see the difference here. It's very open and almost lace-like, and this is very good all-purpose stitch, especially for shawls. If you want to do a nice big rectangular shawl, just do a very, very long, I'd say a 4.5 foot chain, foundation chain, and then just do rows and rows of these double stitches. So let's start with, again, our foundation chain. And this time we're going to, let's chain an extra 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. We're going to start with the yarn over right away. And then on the 4th chain from the end, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to insert our needle. Okay. We're going to do a yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that's our first double stitch. You can already see it's more open. Again, yarn over, go to the next chain, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we just keep going along just like that. Yarn over, go through the next loop, yarn over, pull through that first one, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you can already see it forming. Yarn over, go through the next chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, next chain, put your hook through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're just going to keep going along just like that all the way to the end. Okay, once again, we are at the end of our row here. We're going to chain 3, turn our work, yarn over, and start in the 2nd chain from the end, which would be this one. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go through the next chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and so on and so on. Okay, we're getting to the end of our row. Again, want to make sure we get all the stitches so we get a nice straight edge. So you see that there? I don't know if you can see it on here. We want to make sure we pick that up as well. Otherwise, you get a very slanted edge, and that's happened to me before. So if you do, don't worry about it. Just go back and redo. And we're going to chain 1, 2, 3 and start the next row. And that's basically how you do double crochet. And as you can see here, it's an open stitch. And again, this is great for scarves and shawls. Very lovely stitch.